audible at the back? Am I audible? Am I audible? Respected TT Master, fellow youth leaders, Toastmasters, dignified guests, and all those present here. A very good evening to all of you. The topic given to me is anger is another word for danger coming, and I strongly support this motion. If you analyze anger and danger, you'll see danger is just one D added to the word anger. Anger, you add a D in front of the word anger and you get danger. You look at common examples. When we get angry, we are in such a state of mind that just whatever we get in front of our hands, its fate has come. Its 12th hour has come, and whatever we find in front of our hands, we go on committing great blunders when we are angry. We should always, of course, try to be calm and reasonable, but this is not possible in the case when we are angry. In anger, in pure state of anger, in raw anger, it's complete danger for us. Of course, we must try to learn from mistakes. That is not possible when we are angry. Anger is one word removed from danger. Throughout the world, throughout the history of the world, we have seen several instances where anger has led to great crimes committed, to great blunders, and numerous other things. Now, following in the footsteps of our history teacher, I'd like to cite one very famous example. You must remember in 1973, Salvador Allende was removed from the Democratic Party of Chile. He was replaced by Augusto Pinochet. Augusto was a fanatic of military-oriented government, and he was very angry with the policies and with the policies of Salvador Allende, and he wanted to have power at his own expense. He eventually succeeded. But then we see, for the first time in history, Chile deteriorated to a level we must have not even thought of. This example, one of the most famous examples, clearly states anger is just one letter removed, danger is just one letter removed from anger. With this, I'd like to conclude. Over to you.